Thanks for joining us for the first ever client edition of Welcome Home with Madeleine. In this episode, we're going to be touring a recently completed renovation that we've been working on here, specifically talking about furniture, art, decor, and window covering installation, and what it looks like to hire us for a turnkey service. So turnkey service is where you literally can come into your house and move into it. Like everything that you need in order to enjoy it is here. And to different people that means different things. Like for this house, for instance, we've taken it to the linens, where all the towels and all your bed linens and everything are there and ready for you to use. But anything behind the cupboards, we haven't been hired to do. The biggest advantage for a client to hire us for turnkey service is their sanity.
We have a house in Palm Desert, and my mom and I had just done that, stripped to studs, and we rebuilt the whole thing. And I went to every tile store with my mom. I went to every showroom with my mom. I did everything, and I just said, okay, I don't want to do this.
It takes a ton of moving parts to bring together a finished product like this, from dealing with the contractors during construction. And we're conceptualizing and visualizing a finished space right from when we start renovation or new construction. So when we're doing the space planning and the construction planning, we're thinking about what your furniture layout's gonna look like and what types of pieces of decor could work and what types of artwork. I mean, we're talking about artwork during the lighting design as well. So thinking about where you're gonna have artwork on the wall and how that plays with your reflected ceiling plan, your lighting plan. There's just a lot of moving parts that come into that, and then also the final installation. We're installing this house, all of the furniture and decor and artwork and window coverings in a week. And to do a project of this size is quite smooth for us because we know the process that you need to go through. But it's taken time to learn all those different steps and implement processes in order to execute it.
I just knew that from the first moment Madeleine and I met, it was just, we kind of clicked. She kind of got me, and I think I just trusted her and just said, I just trust everything she'll put in here and make it a home, not just a house.
We use 3D rendering services for a client to visualize. It's obviously helpful for us to kind of see and play with materials and things like that, but we are trained to be able to see what something is gonna look like. So in my head, this is exactly what it looked like. It's just really cool to see it in person.